Voilà, bonsoir. 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 Oh, bonsoir, you know, because it's evening. So soir means evening. Bonsoir means good. Bon. How? Bon. B-O-N. Bon. Là, soir. Bonsoir. Bien. Bonsoir. Et je m'appelle David. David. Yeah, David. So in France, my family, my friend call me David. Bonsoir David. Et à Taipei, et because also Taipei, I'm Jew. So à Taipei, je sens Jean David. Voilà. JV, A+. You know, A+. Je sens David Chua. David, A+. Something like that. So now everybody's here. Tajado Dharma. Wow, pourquoi je suis en zone Sorry, attendez. Regardons votre sortie. It's iPhone 8 Plus. I love it because it's iPhone 8 Plus. I want to take a picture. You know? Oh my god. Okay, I think put everybody. Come closer. Come closer, come on. You want? So I cannot get everybody here. I want everybody to come on. Oh yeah. Oui, debout, allez, oui. Ok. Très bien. Voilà. Oh, oui. Ok, très bien, allez, maintenant on va faire comme ça. Fais comme ça. Très bien. Oui. 3, 2, 1. Ok. Attention, hein, très bien. 3, 2, 1. Wow, très bien. Oh, très bien. Merci. Wow, merci. Wow. Actually, merci beaucoup. Thank you so much because it was intended as a joke. But you are very nice students, so I'm very happy to see you. Bonsoir. Merci pour la photo. Hein. Merci. Voilà. No, I put it there. If you want the picture, you ask her. She will send you the picture, right? You have to give her your email address to get the picture. Okay, so we are Fagua Larman, yeah? Very Larman. Paris, la Tour Eiffel, Seine-Arve, c'est Larman. Okay. Très bien. Next. And is moi, David Blasco. Yeah, Blasco is Spanish. Blasco is Spanish from a grandmother, grandfather, long time ago. So now my name is Ke. Oui, parce que Taiwan t'as mis au choix Blasco is too long. T'as to cut. No. Means bien Que Dawei. Yeah. Que Dawei. C'est moi. David, c'est moi. Repeat after me. C'est moi. Moi. C'est moi. Moi. C'est moi. Moi. You have to do the move. So you show everybody. C'est moi. David, c'est moi. David, c'est moi. Not you. Okay. Alright, when you say your name, right? And you say, c'est moi. Right? Blah, 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 c'est moi. Okay? Okay, so next time, tomorrow, homework. Okay? Alright. So, we know, today we learn how to do the greetings, how people greet each other. Have you ever been to France before? Tu fais quoi, juste 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow! So you know French culture already, right? No, you don't know very well. Yeah? I'm going to teach you how to greet each other. It's fun. Yeah. And how people eat. How do people eat? Because bread is very good. No. Okay, and then study in French. Do you want to study more? You want to go to France? You could have a hint. Yeah, a hint. A tip, right? How to study in France. Okay, look, we are going to talk a little bit about that. First, alright, so you can learn a little bit, right? As I say David, I can say David, c'est moi, right? David, c'est moi. Repeat, c'est moi. C'est moi. It's me, right? And then I can say je m'appelle. Je m'appelle David. Right? Je m'appelle David. Et toi? How about you? Et toi? You went to France before. So say, how can you answer the question? Et toi?
Je m'appelle.
Yeah, je m'appelle. So you have to answer, je m'appelle. Right? Je m'appelle. Well, let's pretend, because there are so many people, let's pretend your name is David. Right? Because I cannot go one by one. So, je m'appelle David. Et toi? Je m'appelle David. Right? Just put your name tomorrow. Just put your name behind je m'appelle. Right? So this is how to say your name. Next one, just to let you know that I live in Toulon. Toulon is in the south of France. Here is Paris. And Toulon. If you want to go to from Paris to Toulon, there is a train station called TGV, high-speed train that goes from Paris to Orléans, Lyon, Saint-Étienne, Montpellier, Marseille, Toulon. Right? Goes this way. So it's a very traditional road for them to travel. So it's Toulon. And when I was younger, I was eating lunch, right? And then in the summer I go directly to the beach. So good. Yeah. And it's Taiwan. No? Not Taiwan? Oh, sorry. No, c'est la Corse. La Corse. Yeah, and Napoleon, you know Napoleon? He was born there, and then the island became French. French just in time, just before he was born. Otherwise, he would be Italian. But Napoleon was French because he became a French department. All right. So j'habite à Toulon. Yeah, j'habite à Toulon. Yeah, j'habite à Toulon. Et toi? Et toi? C'est how about you? Et toi? J'habite à Taipei. Non, vraiment c'est Taipei. Je vais assez Taipei. J'habite à Jiayi. Yeah, Jiayi. We are in Jiayi, right? That's so you can say, j'habite à Jiayi. J'habite à Jiayi. Just so raise your hand. Ooh, just a few. Okay. J'habite à Kaohsiung. Raise your hand. That's it? Okay. J'habite à Taipei. Whoa! More students live in Taipei. J'habite à Pingtung. Nobody. Ok. J'habite à Ilan. Ilan, wow! Très bien! Ilan, c'est bien! Bien! Ilan, wow! What else? J'habite à Tanshui. Not far away. J'habite à... How c'est Nantou. Nantou. How c'est J'habite à... Repeat after me. J'habite à Taichung. Taichung. Who lives in Taichung? Oh, Taichung. Très bien. Bien. Bien, bien, bien. Taichung, c'est bien, right? Bon, ok. C'est ma différence. J'habite à... More places. More places to visit. Anybody, where do you live? You have to go down. Where do you live? Ah, forgot Taoyuan. Yeah. Because we are far away from Taoyuan now. I forgot, sorry. So, Ja. This one. Is here. Ja. Bi. J'habite à Taoyuan. Okay, everybody? Who lives in Taoyuan? 1, 2, très bien. 3, non moins 4. Wow, très bien. Taoyuan, c'est bien, non? Yeah, Taoyuan, c'est bien, Taoyuan. Taoyuan, c'est bien, bien. Bien. Taoyuan, j'habite à. So, the French sound A, very important. A, I, U, E, O. Oh no, this is Japanese, sorry. Because the Japanese sound is similar to the French. So if you study Japanese, good. Très bien. So look, French phonics vowels is A, E, I, O, U. A, I, O, U. A, O. Où est O? Bon, ben, il y a un O là. Il y a un O ici, ça fait O, hein. And il y a U. Bon, U, mais on a. So, so, aha. Je m'appelle David. David. Yeah, A. Very important sound. A. Let me see. Ouais, this one we are going to learn how to say bonjour. This is, you know him? We are going to discuss Hollande today. He's a French president. Fagois, son ton. Peut-être qu'il y a des tâches là-bas. Il y aura pas de sous déjà quelqu'un. Thank you. Voilà. Okay, bon. Now we are going to practice the song A. And then, bonjour. 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 Does she want to bonjour? Bonjour. Ça va? Ça va? So, ici, il y a A. A. Et this, a question. When T sur le choix. Ça va? Oh, très bien. Well, you speak French very well. Yeah. Ça va? Yeah. When the question, the sound will go up, up, up. Ça va? Yeah. And then we answer. Ça va. Ça va. Yeah. Well, I understand because when I arrived in Taipei first, I had to learn the Chinese language a little bit. And there is the E, you know, the E sound. E, 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 E. The E is very difficult. Ni hao ma? Ah? How can I speak like that? So I get used to it. So when you go to France, it's the same. Ça va? You know, all the vowels with the I, O, U. Yeah? Ça, ici c'est A. Ça va? How to answer the question? Très bien. Wow. Très bien. Right? Now we say ça va bien, ça va bien, ça va bien, ça va bien, bien, très bien, très bien, ça va bien, ça va très très bien, alright, très bien, très bien. Bon, très bien, when you have the A+, it's très bien. Alors sur le choix, très bien. Ouh, A+, très bien. On y aurait déjà, maman, choix. Très bien. Right? Très bien. Très bien. So, the teacher will say très bien, maman will say très bien, papa will say très bien. Now we go home, get A+. Show off, homework, listening. Très bien. Right? Très bien. Très bien. And now how to ask, how about you? Et toi? Et toi? Et toi? Et toi? Et toi? Et toi? Toi? Très bien, let's practice. Bonjour. Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Now je say bonsoir. Right? Bonjour. Bonjour. It's during the day. Bonjour is the day, in the day. Bonsoir. 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 Oh, we start saying bonsoir when it's dinner time. Dinner time, 6 o'clock, 7, start saying bonsoir. 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 Ça va? Ça va? Ça va? Ça va bien. Oh, très bien. Wow! Ça va bien. Ça va bien. Ça va bien. So see, French so easy, right? So come you didn't study earlier. Huh? Easy, right? Facile, huh? Now the proof is easy. This is the best part when you go when you go to Paris airport. You land it from the airplane. Everybody will come. Everybody will want to do la bise. La bise, hands on young. La bise. You want to see something about la bise? Oui, oui. Let's see something about la bise. This is one for the culture, la bise.
We'll do a little video about French kissing. Now, I don't mean real French kissing.
C'est pas vraiment le French kiss, Ben. C'est
le French kiss, non.
C'est la bise en France.
La bise. But you kiss a lot. You kiss in the morning when you see people. You kiss in the afternoon. You kiss when you're getting off the metro. When you say goodbye on the phone, you kiss. All the time kissing.
All the time kissing, even on the phone. All the time kissing. Bisous. Voilà, you someone.
Et oui, et ça dépend des régions après, bien. Parce qu'à Lyon, par exemple, les gens qui sont plus ou moins considérés comme froids font seulement 2 bises.
Lyon is more like in the south of France. French people do 2. Me, I do 2 only. This is enough.
Dans le sud, c'est plutôt 3.
3.
Et à Paris, la grande classe, c'est 4.
C'est 4. Paris, 4. Wow, so you have imagine you arrive at the airport like this, you open the door, you come in, and then you meet so many friends waiting for you, right? And you start doing. Next, this one. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bon. So many, so that's why I'm not staying in Paris for long.
Plus on en fait, mieux c'est, je pense. Et plus on en fait, plus on est à l'aise.
Okay, c'est the better friends you are. When you do the kiss, you are better friends to French people. Yeah.
Quand on rencontre les gens pour la première fois, Ben, donc on fait la bise aux femmes, mais on serre la main des hommes.
But I have one awkward question. That is, when you kiss guys, like, at first you start shaking their hands, and then later, somewhere, there's a point where you start kissing them. I mean, when's this point? When do you know that you've gone to the next level and you're ready to kiss your guy friend?
C'est là qu'on voit que t'es pas encore français, que t'es un petit kiwi, c'est moi le français.
Yeah, this is the question. When do you know you are going to, after shaking hands, right? When are you going to start kissing? So it's a big question, right? So this is very traditional. Now this is at home, right? This is it's at home, and then you have the guest, right? And if the guest wants to come in, you know what's going on? He has to do la bise. You have to do la bise. And it's surprise, right? And only then you are allowed to come in.
I know an insult maybe a couple of months ago. I just leaned in, kissed her. That's all. Gay.
En France, on fait la bise à ses amis, et je crois que j'ai un petit peu peur, et parfois l'habitude, un petit peu timide le kiwi.
But it's a lot better than very Kiwi head nod.
When imagine that for the New Year, for the Christmas time, right? You have many guests come in, right? You open the door like this. Bonjour, next. Next. Okay, next. Close the door. Okay. Open the door. Next. So yeah, so it's the way to welcome the guests. You know, when you come in, you have to do. What was? He didn't do la bise. He's angry or what? And then you will see that when finally pass the door,
There's many people.
and then he has to
You
go
go around
around.
here, despite there being 50 people there already, you go around,
You go around.
give a piece to everyone.
Okay, maybe here he doesn't know her very well. He doesn't know her very well, so he just shakes hands. But he's more familiar with the next one.
Let's kiss in France.
There's a kiss in France. Okay. So yeah, so that's the way we do la bise. La bise en France. Se faire la bise. So as I say, for example, in Paris, did you hear the video, right? How about Paris? How many kisses we have to do? 1, 2, 3, or 4? Wow, très bien! That's right. 4. How about in the south? In Toulon, my home? 2. That's right. Yeah. How about right first or left first? This is my friend, right? And I see my friend, hey, bonjour. He's coming to me and said, okay, I go this way. I go here, okay? Sometimes they don't know which way to go. My friends come in and say, okay, this way. It happens, yeah, sometimes it happens. So, what do you think? Is left, right, or first? Right first or left first? What do you think? Right first. Yeah, maybe I will go right, but some people will go left as well. So it depends. Yeah, it could be possible right. Yeah, but you still have to check which direction. You know, your friend is going. Look at the nose. Yeah, this one is going this way or that way. You don't want to kiss him. Careful. Okay, and then we have se serrer la main. Se serrer la main. Voilà, se serrer la main. Serrer la main. La main. La main. Serrer la main. So we can guess. You can guess, right? How about you're walking around Paris, right? You're walking around Paris like this, and then you arrive at the cafe. Last time I went to Paris, everybody is at the cafe, drinking coffee and chatting and everything, and then saying like this. And then you arrive there, and then you see your friends. What do you do? What do you do? You like this, or serrer la main? Serrer la main? Why? What serrer la main? Too many people, right? Huh? No, it's la bise. Yeah, you have to go. Hey, bonjour. 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 One more time, one more round. Okay, bonjour. 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 Alright. And then you have more people, you have to go around more people. So it's la bise. Yeah. How about you meet your friend here? Okay, so how about you meet your friend, or you meet your friend here, or both of them they are your friends. What do you have to do? Yeah, et oui, la bise. That's right, il faut faire la bise. Hey, bonjour. Hey, bonjour. Right. But that we will not be angry, not jealous. It's okay because we are used to faire la bise. This is my good friend. Okay. But if I don't know him very well, I will prefer shake hands, right? If I don't feel I don't know him very well, so I will go first shake hands. Then we shake my hand. But if I know him better, then la bise aussi. Or bien I can say I meet my friend and I do la bise, right? And then he will say, "Hey, come on, let's do la bise." It may happen as well. I may invite to do la bise. So it depends on the feeling. It's all in the feeling. That's why it's romantic. Okay, how about meeting your boss or your teacher? La banne. La banne. Okay, I'm going to select B1 student. I'm going to go down. Are you ready for the test? When you meet your boss or the teacher. Oui, très bien, you raise your hand. Are you ready? What do you do? La bise ou serrer la main? Are you sure? Oui? Oui, très bien. C'est ça. Faut serrer la main. Oui. Faut serrer la main. When you meet your teacher, what do you say? When you shake your hands, you do serrer la main, and what do you say? Bonjour. Très bien. Bonjour. 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 Professeur. Bonjour. Professeur. Très bien. You understand, huh? Okay. So I found a video about Hollande and Obama. I was surprised actually to see. I didn't know they will be together like that. So when they meet, I think it's in Washington, and the big question is, ils se font la bise ou ils se serrent la main? Hein? What do you think? Ils se font la bise ou ils se serrent la main? Okay, who says Obama et Hollande la bise, hein? What do you think? Yeah? Ils font la bise? Who thinks ils font la bise? Raise your hand. Ils font la bise. Anybody else? Okay, how about that? Ils se serrent la main? Ils se serrent la main? Ils font la bise? Ils serrent la main? Ils font la bise? Ils font la bise ou ils serrent la main? Ils serrent la main? Well, we have a majority of students who say serrent la main. We are going to check, huh? It's okay. So, I think in this movie, Hollande is very funny because, I mean, you will check something wrong with Hollande. Okay, so this is Obama et Hollande. Alright, so you say serre la main, hein? Ou ils font la bise? Qu'est-ce qu'ils vont faire? Serre la main. Sure? Are you sure? One more time. You think it's funny? Because it looks like he doesn't know where it's going. And one more. I think. He doesn't know what he's doing. That's why his behavior is very strange. So he said no declaration about French fries. Nothing to say about, no comments about French fries. Bon, ok, ça les chefs. Ok, qu'est-ce qu'ils font là? Serrer. Serrer. La main, right? Serrer la main. Yeah. This, there you go. Serrer la main. Right. Okay, serrer la main. So and then after that you see what's going on one more time, right? So he is there, right? He's happy, but he doesn't know where it's going. He doesn't know what to do. This is that's why the behavior of French president is. Yeah, that's what happens with the president. So le président il se serre la main. If it's a woman, they will for more like being more like closer, more friendly. So they will feel like this, like with the women, yeah, with the women. Okay. How about eating? I'm feeling hungry. Are you feeling hungry? No? If you are feeling hungry, you can eat your sponge cake. Or you can watch the video here. The PowerPoint is more delicious. You have eating habits. Faire un sandwich. Fais un 好吃 哦. Nothing to compare with the Subway, I'm telling you. You know? Have you been to Subway before? Subway. Yeah? Who has been to Subway? Raise your hand. Wow. Very good. So, how about who went to Paris, to France? Raise your hand. Who went to France? Okay. Did you eat the sandwich? Yeah? What's different? What's the difference? Huh? Harder? Yeah, okay, the feeling of it's a bit harder. Because in Subway the bread is softer. You know? It's softer. And then when you eat the Subway, the salad will puff. Puff, no? Did you notice that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right? No, always there's a malfunction here. Just eat something, puff. And then I'm lucky I kept the paper because it's not falling on the table, it's falling on the paper, so I can eat. The worst stage. What? If you're walking around, puff! Oh. Tomato! My tomato, no! Alright, but it's true, it's crusty. More like crusty. But you eat for what you pay. You don't waste. It's not falling on the ground or falling on the dirty table, picnic table. You know, when you eat in France on the picnic table, it's not clean. You have to clean up. And then don't worry, your tomato will not fall down. It stays in the sandwich. Très bien. So you can, everybody go to Paris, go to France. Okay? And that's why it's very good. Okay? So un sandwich. That's it with the French sandwich with the ham and cheese and tomato and salad. Okay? Très bien. I feel hungry now? You want to eat, right? Yeah, so you can do it tonight. You know, you can buy bread in the Darwenfa. In Darwenfa, they have a bread, right? Baguette. You can check around where is the baguette to buy one. Huh? Baguette. La baguette. Baguette. So it's in the crusty outside, it's soft inside. But you cannot keep too long. If you buy baguette, you have to eat it before the next day. Otherwise, it will become very tough, very hard inside. So, don't keep too long. Then if you have le jambon, c'est bon. Bon. Le jambon, c'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon. B-O-N, bon. Les tomates. Les tomates. Ah, c'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon. You want me to write for you? C'est bon. Write it here. C'est bon. B-O-N, bon. C'est bon. Oh, it's good to eat, yeah? C'est bon. Alors, the last one is le fromage. Le fromage. Le fromage? 好吃。好吃，法文怎么说？ C'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon. Alors, le fromage avec le pain, la baguette, c'est bon. Oh là là. Oh là là, c'est bon. Ouais, le problème est if you eat too much, you will pom, 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 pom. Sometimes you cannot pass the gate in your so don't eat too much. I eat a lot. She's like, yeah, c'est bon. Yeah, c'est bon. Alors le fromage, where can you buy the French cheese? You know? Not in Jali, I don't think so, but in Taipei. You know where? Jiaofu. Yeah, Jiaofu. And that went far. Problem is that it's very expensive. 不敢买。太多钱 too expensive. And I'm so sad when I see the cheese. I have to go, oh wait. Look at the cheese like this. Oh, I'm gonna buy. No money today. So, anyway, all over France, you have the cheese. You can choose. In France, it's quite good. Any kind of cheese. All you can eat. Alright. Et voilà, le sandwich au jambon. Le sandwich au jambon. And when you eat, before you eat dinner, before you start eating, what can you say? Très bien. Bon. Yeah, bon. Wow. Bon. Right? Petit. Petit. Bon. Bon. Petit. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. Ici c'est le A, so can connect the two. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. Yeah, so when we learn French, you have to get used to connect consonant with the vowels. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. Bon appétit. Oh, how do you say? So good, delicious. Très bien. Wow, c'est bon. Yeah. Okay. How about what you have in the box? What do you think? It's good? Who started eating the content the box contain the cake, something like that? Who started? Did you eat? Did anybody eat the cake? Who ate? I want to know. Yeah, tell me. Who started eating the box? Nobody. Nobody but me. Only me ate the cake? Oh, okay, I assure you, please eat it. Trust the staff. Cake, le gâteau. C'est bon. C'est très bon. Très bon. Très bon. Quand you eat, c'est bon. C'est bon. Ouais? Alright, très bien. Très bien. C'est soit ce ching, soit de hao, soit de han hao. Très bien. Très bien. When you eat sandwich, le sandwich, c'est bon. C'est bon. Ah, sandwich, c'est bon. Sandwich au jambon, c'est bon. Ça va? Ça va bien? Yeah, facile, right? Easy. Huh? So easy. So easy, I don't know what to teach. give you the challenge. Too easy. For breakfast, we have the croissant. French people in the morning, most of the time for the weekend, we tend to run to the bakery. Croissant! Quickly. Okay? And because you have to go early in the morning because, you know, otherwise people will queue outside the store for a long, you have to wait for a long time, you know? So you have to queue behind people who are hungry too. And then you want to buy croissant. 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 In France, we don't eat that much rice. We eat italien. But most of the time we eat bread, le pain. Le pain. For breakfast, it's important. Les croissants. Les croissants. Les croissants. Les croissants. Le pain. Le pain. Le pain. Le pain. Quand tu sais croissant, it's good to eat. C'est bon. Les croissants. C'est bon. How about bread? Le pain. C'est bon. Très bien. C'est bon. Yeah. For the summer, for the lunch, at the beach, we have la salade. La salade. La salade de riz. De riz. La salade de riz. La salade. La salade de riz. Riz. Riz is rice. And then this is not hot. It's cool. It's more like fresh for the summertime. We make a salad and then we eat for a picnic. It's Italian, and then you feel more comfortable. It's a French style. And then you have a taboulé. Taboulé. This is more like a Middle East style salad. You have kind of the rice. So this is also is good to eat. It's fresh. It's taboulé with les tomates, okay, some vegetables, and c'est bon. Yeah. La salade de riz. La salade de riz, c'est ok, très bien. Wow, c'est bon. Aussi à la maison, at home, à la maison. À la maison, we eat salade too. La salade de tomate. La salade de tomate. Au thon. Au thon. Le thon. Salade. La salade de tomate. Tomate. Okay, one more time. It's your turn now. Wow. Salade. Très bien. Wow. Very good. Students, your pronunciation is already great. Wow. Amazing, right? Salade de tomate. La salade de tomate. Ça c'est bon. C'est bon. La salade de tomate, c'est bon. à la maison. And then last one is for the dinner, we also have la ratatouille. Have you heard about ratatouille before? Ratatouille? No, never? It's a mix of tomato, yeah. So you have a mix of the tomato and different vegetables and some, yeah, and some maybe some chicken. Sometimes you can put a little bit of meat. But it's called la ratatouille. There is a Disney movie, Ratatouille. Have you heard about this? No, never. But this is you can check on the YouTube. It's Ratatouille. And then this is province. It's more like a south of France dish. You can eat ratatouille. C'est bon. Ratatouille. Yeah. If you go outside, if you go out to eat at the restaurant, au restaurant, this is also in the south of France, okay? And then for the fishermen, like they like to come back in the morning to bring the fresh seafood, and the restaurant, they take advantage of this. They pick up the fresh food, like the mussels there, right? And then they make a dish very famous. It's called moule, moule frite. Moule frite. Moule frite. So when you go to the restaurant, you can have that. Usually the dish has to be cold or hot? What do you think? The dish is cold or hot? It's hot, right? It has to be hot. Because if you eat cold French fries, it's not good, right? So this is a very famous dish in France. We like to eat moule frite. Moule frite. Moule frite. Yeah, moule frite. C'est bon. That's right. Okay, so when you can ask the question like the Chihuahua, right? I can ask you, for example, in Chihuahua, Taiwan ma? 很多台湾人喜欢台湾吗？我来说。Oui, je suis taïwanais. Un taïwanais, I live here for a long time. Oui, oui. 你喜欢 oui, oui. 说 oui. 我跟你来当好朋友哦。Oui. Okay, are you ready now? If I say 你喜欢 right? Tu aimes? Question, hein? Tu aimes? Tu aimes Taïwan? Taïwan, c'est bien, right? Très bien, right? So, la choix? Oui. Taïwan, c'est bien. C'est bien. Hein? C'est bien. Bien. 还不错。Taïwan, c'est bien, hein? C'est bien. Bien. C'est bien. Yeah? Taïwan, c'est bien. Okay. Tu aimes Taïwan? Tu aimes Taïwan? Oui, Taïwan, c'est bien. C'est bien. Yeah? Okay, now you have to say the truth, yeah? Because everybody is listening. Tu aimes CCU? Ma? Tu aimes CCU? You know CCU? Yeah. we are recording, so you have to say the truth, right? Tu aimes CCU? Oui. CCU? C'est bien. C'est bien. CCU, c'est bien. How about this? Très bien. Ok, one more time. Tu aimes CCU? Oui. CCU, c'est très bien. Oui, CCU, c'est très bien. All right. Très bien. Good job. So next one. Tu aimes le pain? Le pain. Tu aimes le pain? Alors le pain. Oui. Oui. Ah, c'est bon. Oui, c'est bon. C'est bon. Le pain, c'est bon. C'est bon. It's yummy. C'est bon. Yeah, c'est bon. Très bien. Tu aimes. Okay, and now, when you want to say I like, how do you say I like? Or she want? J'aime. Alright. Facile. Ok, j'aime. J'aime le pain. J'aime le pain. J'aime le pain. J'aime le pain. Tu aimes le pain? Oui. J'aime. J'aime le pain. J'aime. J'aime le pain. J'aime. J'aime. Tu aimes Taïwan? Oui. J'aime Taïwan. Tu aimes CCU? Oui. J'aime. Voilà. J'aime CCU. Louder. J'aime CCU. Très bien. J'aime Zonzen Dashue. Not very loud, sorry. Louder. J'aime Zonzen Dashue. Oh, très bien. It's recorded? Okay, good. Right. J'aime le pain. J'aime le pain. So now, if there is a, okay, let's say you arrive at the French Paris airport, right? And then someone comes to meet you, approaches you and say, bonjour. Bonjour. Tu aimes le pain? You just arrived from Taipei, Paris, right? At the airport. And you say, bonjour. Tu aimes le pain? Tu aimes le pain? What can you say? Oui, j'aime le pain. Wow, très bien. And then the guy will say, wow, très bien. Wow, vous parlez bien français. Eh oui, wow, venez, allez, comment, restaurant, très bien. Il y a un choix? Oui. Oui, oh, blablabla. Blablabla, très bien, blablabla. Blablabla, blablabla. Et là, il y a un choix seulement. Oui, oui, oui. And now you have to practice French listening, right? Pour que je sois so oui, listen carefully and learn. Oui. Oui, d'accord? Très bien. So, whatever the question, les choix, oui. Wow, c'est quoi ça? What is this? What is going backwards? Why am I going backwards? Okay, okay. When you go to the France and then you feel hungry or thirsty, you can say je voudrais. Je voudrais. Je voudrais. Je voudrais. Je voudrais. Ich想要。想要买，想要吃，想要什么？ You want to drink, like this. You want to eat whenever you want. You feel hungry or thirsty. You say, oh, je voudrais un sandwich. Yeah? Je voudrais. Je voudrais. Je voudrais. Je voudrais, je voudrais de l'eau. Because I feel thirsty. Je voudrais de l'eau. Bing. Merci. De l'eau. De l'eau. De l'eau. De l'eau, de l'eau. Regarde, ça c'est pure water. Voilà, je voudrais de l'eau. De l'eau. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. This is a polite way to talk to someone first time you meet. Que c'est bonjour. Bonjour. Je voudrais de l'eau. S'il vous plaît. De l'eau. S'il vous plaît. How about this? How to say that? Un sandwich, right? Un sandwich. Hello. How to say hello? Très bien. I would like. Je voudrais. How about sandwich? Sandwich. Un sandwich. Yeah. Un sandwich. And please. S'il vous plaît. Voilà, très bien. S'il vous plaît. Means please. Please. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Croissant. 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 Je voudrais un croissant. Please. What do you say, please? S'il vous plaît. Right? Je voudrais un croissant. S'il vous plaît. Okay. How about this? Le pain. Right? Le pain. Bonjour. I would like. Je. Please, please. Wow, très bien. S'il vous plaît. Voilà. And then the sales clerk or the saleswoman will say, oui, oui, oui. Voilà. 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 Okay. Voilà. When she gives you something, voilà. Yeah? Okay. Alright, so it's easy, right? French easy? Okay, when you go home, you say, Mama, bonjour. Let's go practice French time. Maman, je voudrais. Maman, I will smile. Maman, je voudrais. $1,000, please, s'il vous plaît. Oh, très bien. C'est une chose favorable. Hein? Ding, voilà. Wow, c'est facile. Easy money. When you get rewarded for your French, right? Maman, bonjour maman. Je voudrais. Il a quoi, s'il vous plaît? Oui. Oh, très bien. Voilà. Okay, when somebody gives you something, you will say voilà. Okay? So easy, right? And then, oui, voilà, d'accord. D'accord means okay. D'accord. D'accord. D'accord, madame. D'accord. D'accord, monsieur, d'accord. D'accord. Means okay. D'accord. Okay? Alright. Okay, ça, that's fine. Maintenant, we say, oui, voilà, ding. D'accord, ding. Say, right? So, d'accord. Okay. But we often say okay as well when we speak. When we speak French, and we say okay, okay. French people like to say okay. So you don't need to make it so complicated, just say okay. Okay, no trouble. Ah! So en France, we have a... Ça c'est bon, right? La salade de riz. La salade de riz, c'est bon. La salade de tomates, c'est bon. Le sandwich, les sandwichs, c'est bon. Tout ça, c'est en France. In France, c'est bon, hein? Les croissants, c'est bon. Et le pain. So you have to remember, right? Le pain, very important. Le pain, c'est bon. Bon, about Taiwan. Taiwan, the way we're going to like Taiwan to die. Greatest community. La guess world. Taiwan, c'est ma chier. C'est marrant. Hard c'est ton chier. Comment? What's good in Taiwan? Hein? Beef noodle, c'est bon? Oui, c'est bon. Ok. Mais ça, c'est American beef noodle. C'est les Gordon. Okay, about real Taiwan. You cannot translate it. It's real Taiwan. It's not possible to translate this in English. Something that's really Taiwanese, American, mais Golan ne parle pas famille. Yes? Okay, got an idea. What is it? Oh, Crosby's is American. I want to read Taiwanese food. Let's try. Yes, you raise your hand. Are you ready? What do you like to eat in Taiwan? Je suis un bulldog chinois. Okay, I'll really help you. How to practice my Taiwanese. No, Chinese. When I arrived in Taipei, I went to the night market for the first time. And my friend said, come on, try this. I said, what's this? This is the Zoo Doigt. Oh, c'est bon! Wow! Zoo Doigt. Zoo Doigt. C'est bon! Wow! Zoo Doigt. But we know French people, they eat the food. The food. Zujia. I don't like this. I cannot stand it. They eat the foot, you know. But when you cut the ear, so you cannot see very much. What is it? So anyway, it's good to eat. Okay, what else? C'est bon. Alors, sous le doigt, c'est bon, très bon. What else? But I need to do interview. Huh? I'm coming. Check for your hand. If you raise your hand, I will ask you a question. Yes, you raise your hands. Yeah. What do you like to eat? Gilofan. Gilofan. Ah, gilofan. Le riz, right? Le poulet avec du riz. avec du risotto et le Gilofan. Ouais. C'est bon. Gilofan, c'est bon. Good things, très bon. Gilofan, très bon. C'est Dieu de très bon. Not very popular. Hein? About c'est bon, ouais, c'est bon. Comme ci, comme ça. Comme ci, comme ça. Comme ci, comme ça. C'est Dieu de Gilofan, comme ci, comme ça. Comme ci, comme ça. Non? Nimendo Shiran, Gilofan? Non. Alright. We have a duo Gilofan. Haïtien. Le haïtien à Taïwan, le haïtien, c'est bon. Le fruit de mer. Fruit de mer. Haïtien sans fan. C'est bon. We have haïtien rogo. C'est bon. C'est chiran haïtien rogo. À Tamsui, je vais à Tamsui. Ou tu Tamsui de Soro, ce haïtien Zafran. C'est bon. Ok, I need another volunteer to tell me what you like. What do you say? I like. What do you say? I like something. Oh, this is a professional. J'aime. J'aime. Well, when you like something, right? You can say j'aime. 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 And then, for example, you say j'aime le haïtien sans fan. J'aime le sous un doigt. J'aime ce mouton. C'est un mouton. C'est bon. C'est bon. Bon. Yeah, I want to talk about the French school system. J'aime l'école, I like school. 最喜欢中山大学。Recording, come on, action. J'aime. CCU. Yeah, j'aime. J'aime CCU. Here I'm going to say, right? J'aime. J'aime. CCU. Yeah, j'aime. J'aime CCU. And then when you go to school, now this is kindergarten. Kindergarten. I've been there. I'll never go back. When you go to primary school, from age 6 to age 10, then we have been there. Never go back. I've been to college. Our college is not the American system. It's a junior high school. Junior high school. From 11 to 14 years old. And then you have from 15 to 17 is senior high school, the lycée. Yeah. And after that you have to attend a test, like the baccalaureate, to go to the university. You have 3 years for the 学士, licence. And then you have the master, 2 years. And then course, doctorat, the doctor. Yeah. So you have from 23 years old to 25 and on. Yes. Yeah. So you can go to the major difference is the college and lycée. Our college, even me, I started to, I came to Taiwan, I started to understand the American system. I was confused actually, because I just knew the French system. So now I know better. So the college is a junior high school, and the lycée is senior. And then you have the test to go to university. You know? Okay? Are you ready? Okay, good. So that's how it works. And then if you, as an example, if you want to study French in Paris, you can go to Sorbonne. Sorbonne. La Sorbonne. Alors, cours de civilisation française de la Sorbonne is the, you study French culture, French civilization. Okay? Language, culture, and society, right? How people live. Okay? And then they are in the center of Paris. Here's the La Seine, Seine, La Seine, and then there are some spots here, yeah, in the center of Paris. Center of Paris. Right. For the teaching, you have practical lessons, and we have the phonics. You can practice the phonics in the school with laboratory. Right? You have some groups of small groups together, study together, and you can practice your phonics with other students and in the laboratory as well. Civilization is this, when you stay in France, at school you have conferences, you attend conferences, okay, and then they will teach you about the culture and French society. They are very experts in the French culture. The teachers, professors are experts in the French culture. And then you will, it's all in French, so you need to listen and improve your listening. That's why they don't use that much English in school. So you have to get the French on the spot to listen. Français. Yeah. Certain, okay. Let's see. Right. Most of this is. They say that the classes, preparatory classes of the licence is the Schweizer. You have around 523 hours, 24 weeks, okay? And then the year is split in 2 semesters as well, okay? Then you will work on your French language. Then you will work with other classmates on your French written expression. Okay? And then also you have the art, preparatory class in the art. You can study art. But here we need to pass a French test to go there. You need to pass a test like a beginner test. You know. So who wants to attend the French test? Because if you want to go to study in French, you need the beginner level. You have beginner level. Who likes to study French? Wow. You want to study French? No, you don't want? Maybe? Just language school? I see. Yeah, you can go to first thing is that you can be in Taiwan and have fun, learn French language. Everything is interesting. So, but this thing is that you need to speak, find the chance to speak a lot because it's different from English. You need to English. You know, you have the standard sentences, right? I like bread. I like this. I like that. But in French, you have some particularities that you need to practice. Studying French is that you have also preparatory classes of master. Then this one, you need the higher French level is B1. The higher French level is like intermediate level to study the master. And you have 480 hours of lessons on 24 weeks, right? And then as well the year is split into 2 semesters. Yeah. Right. And I also have what is this? Age minimum. The age minimum required is 18 years old. Yeah, they say it's 18 years old. Then you must have the to the master. You must have the senior high school diploma. You need a passport, and a visa. So of course, when you go to France, you need a visa to stay there. That's not important. So now, if you want to go to France, you really have the plan to go. You can go study in Alliance Française, this one, because they will prepare for the French test. They prepare for the French test. Okay, look, if you go there, you can check the cours, cours, and the certification. And then you will see some information about the test here, the French test. You got the DELF, DELF, yeah, A1. Alright. Can you see from here? I write it there. DELF A1. Right. So this one is the minimum test you can attend. But in this language center, they teach French for the test, so you can prepare. And then they have the writing, but writing at this level is to write postcard, yeah, to write a postcard and a short note. And then the speaking is about introducing yourself and asking basic questions. For the DELF B1 is the more like listening, comprehension about somebody is saying something on the topic, any kind of topic, and then you have to check the right answer. Yeah. So the test is around, let's see, 1 hour, 20 minutes, and the oral is about 25 minutes. So linguistic stay in Paris, so you can check, the test is in Chinese also. So you have certification to have the test. Right, so I think it's about time, right? Yeah? That's right? Is that right the time? What time do we finish? 8:40? 30. 8:30. Okay, so we went fast, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to review a little bit. Yeah? So let me see. We are going to review a little bit, see if you remember. Okay, before we. Okay, so now I want to check if you remember what we said. Okay, so how about when we meet some friends here? What are we going to do? You remember how to say in French? Yeah, la bise, right? So here, on peut dire, se faire, la bise. When you do the kiss here, is se faire la bise. Right? Se faire la bise. Yes. So how about did anyone fait la bise? And, any students have already done that before with your best friend? No, never? No? Because when you go to France, French students in the morning, what do they do? Because when they arrive in the school, right? So they do la bise. Way down. French girls, you know? Ah, bonjour Caroline! Ah, bonjour Amy! Oh, bonjour Sophie! Ah, bonjour! They do like that, the girls, they will be very happy, they will be very happy and then they will do that. How about the boys? Usually they share. What do they do? What do they do with boys? Yeah. Se serrer la main. La main. Okay? There we go. Oh, bonjour Davy. Oh, bonjour Roger. Hey, bonjour Sébastien. Now if you have a very, very good friend, since you were into the kindergarten, you met him in the école maternelle. You know your friend since école maternelle, right? Then what will happen? Now, you know what will happen? He will also do la bise. Because you know him for a very long time. La bise. But if you meet him, if you meet your friend, just now you are in the university, right? Now you are in the university. Who is the licence here? Who is licence? Who is the cheseux? Okay. Who is master? Master. Only you? Master. Who is the doctorat? Only me? Oh. Who is licence? No? Licence is the cheseux. Okay. Alright. Well, then if you licence, right? If you just met your friend in the classroom, right? At this level, right? You didn't know your friend in école maternelle. You didn't know your friend école primaire, collège, lycée. No, you didn't know him, but you know your friend, met him in the licence. What will you do? Kiss or serrer la main? That's right. Yeah, serrer la main. Eh oui, serrer la main. Okay. Alright. Well, okay. How about now we have talked about this one? How about French people eating customs? Do you remember anything? How do we behave for the French eating customs? How do we behave? What do we do? Huh? When you eat, right? When you eat, you say, c'est bon. All right. Okay. What else? What can you say about French customs? French eating. How do you say, I like? I like. Hein? J'aime. J'aime. Oui. Alors ça c'est j'aime. J'aime. Yeah. J'aime. J'aime. Okay. Now, can you tell me about what you like, what you learned, and what you like, what you saw on this awesome PowerPoint? Do you remember anything to finish, complete the sentence? J'aime. 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 Anything you can say? Okay, how to say I like bread? J'aime le pain. Très bien. Okay, does anyone remember another sentence, another word? J'aime. Yeah? Mozzarella. Okay. J'aime la salade à la mozzarella. Yeah. J'aime, how about rice salad? The rice salad. J'aime la salade de riz. J'aime la salade de riz. Yeah, j'aime la salade. What else? Hayoma? J'aime Hollande. Oh, j'aime Hollande. Non, j'aime la Mona Lisa. Hein? Mona Lisa, moi j'aime Mona Lisa. You know, I went to Lovugon once. You have to see Mona Lisa once in your life. And quickly. Because I had the experience. You want to know my experience? Okay, so I went to Lovugon. I said, oh, Mona Lisa. But Mona Lisa is small painting. I said, wow, so small. I thought it was big because Da Vinci had higher. That's it, petit. And then after that, a lot of Japanese travelers come around and they saw Mona Lisa 30 seconds without anything. So around and say, okay, bye-bye. Au revoir, Mona Lisa. I gotta go. Have no way. Well, how about, let's review. How about you know her? Okay, for the guys, right? For the guys, you guys here, the boys. You know her, but you don't know him. So, you say bonjour, and then what do you do? Please, of course you know her. Hey, bonjour. How about him? My girlfriend, my GF. I said happy. Talvez é Maya. Talvez ele sentia se refletir. Because now you know the body contact, yeah? So, what do you think about his feelings? He's okay, comme ci, comme ça? So? Yeah, maybe so is okay. Right? Now we say, I think we say, okay, how do you feel right now?
I'm okay.
You feel okay. Because it's natural to do that. So anyway, you will shake his hand. If you don't know him, right? You will have to shake his hand. So you know what you have to do tomorrow morning, right? With your friends. You will find out. Tomorrow morning, you will find out who is your best friend. It's good, right? It's test. Tomorrow, test time. Okay, to the teacher, of course, I think you learned your lesson yesterday, right? You wanted to kiss your teacher, but what did he say? I don't think your teacher said yes, right? I know you wanted to prepare for the French presentation, so you started kissing everybody. You even tried to kiss your teacher, right? But what did he say? I said yes. Did your teacher say yes? No. No, he said no, right? No. Right. So, anyway, when you meet your teacher, you cannot just go over and kiss him. Okay. Let me see. Okay, do you have any questions about the food or the score? Do you have any questions about me? Because you have 10 minutes, so do you have any questions for the About. Ah, yeah, okay, sorry. I understand. Okay, you want to know my age, right? I'm 25 years old. Yeah. Did I answer your question? 25. You don't believe? No, you don't believe. I'm PhD. I'm 25. I like Taiwan. J'aime CCU. J'aime CCU, j'aime Taipei, j'aime Zhangzhou. How about you? Do you like Zhangzhou? Vous aimez? Do you like it? Yeah? Why? Why? Oh no. Because the French, you knew you would come here. You knew already you will come you will attend this presentation. That's why you like it. So why do you like Zhangzhou? Okay. Because I think how about this? The school scenery is nice, right? You have the park, right? How about the park? C'est bien ou c'est pas bien? Ah, c'est comme ça. Le parc c'est le parc. You know the park là? The park, right? There's a sharp sign behind the school. C'est bien, right? Le parc, c'est bien. Wow. Le parc, c'est bien. There is a pond aussi behind there. C'est beau, non? C'est bien, non? Oui, the black swan. Yeah. Okay. How about? Okay. So where do you study? Which department do you study? Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. It's an internship. Where do you study? Yes. Oui. Foreign languages. Wow. Très bien. So tu aimes foreign languages? Oui. C'est bien, right? Yeah, foreign languages. Like what do you study? French. Oh. Wow. Très bien. So you came here to study French? Très bien. So what do you think about my French? C'est bien, hein? Romantique? Romantique. Comme c'est comme ça. No, not very romantic. Okay. Okay, so, très bien. French. Wow. How about you? Where do you study? Political science. So what do you think about political science? C'est comme ça. C'est facile, easy? Not really. But tu aimes? Tu aimes? Oui. C'est bon. Ouais, ça va. C'est bon. Bien, ça va. Faut dire si ça va. Tu aimes? Ça va. Yeah. Ça va. Ça va. Do you like to study here? In the school? You like to study here? You not study here? Or why you come here? In the school? Why do you come? Well, you need to get the presentation here? Okay. Très bien. I mean, you come here, I'm happy to see you. Yeah. Okay, where do you study? Where do you study? Then I should. Here. Where? You study English? What do you study? Labor relationship. C'est bien ça? Oui, 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 c'est bien. Oui, c'est bien. C'est bien. Labor relationship, c'est bien. Okay. But you have any questions for me? I'm ready to answer your questions. Ah, question, oui, très bien. Comment?
What's the difference between bon and bien?
Good question. What's the difference between bon et bien? Are you ready for the lecture? Bon et bien. Alors, bon. This is not easy to explain, but because they are not in the situation, French situation, so I have to make the effort to show you how to. What's the difference? Okay, our first thing is that when you go home, you bring out some paper. And Mama will say, place! Waouh, c'est bien! Très bien! Waouh! place, très bien! Right? C'est bien. La teacher will say, c'est bien. Très bien. Right. Okay. Next. Now, you have a drink. Drink. You're almost finished because you drink it quickly. It's delicious. It's good. C'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon. C'est bon, right? C'est bon. When you eat something, when you drink, c'est bon. Another one. But you are during the test. 你正在实验考试。You have a question, right? For the test, you have many questions, right? Yes or no? Yeah, so too many. So now you drink very slowly. You have to think about, right? And the teacher will come. C'est bon là? Parlement? C'est bon? Oui, c'est bon. Oui. Quand il se tient par là. Non, ok. And then after that, 写好了. Voilà, c'est bon. 好了. 写好了, c'est bon. Ouais. C'est bon? 写好了吗? C'est bon, hein? C'est bon? Ouais, c'est bon là, comment? Voilà, j'ai sous là. Allez. C'est bon? Ça y est. Voilà. C'est bon. Did I answer your question? Oui. All right. So when you have A+, you say, wow, très bien. Comme ça. Wow, très bien. It's now you are drinking, right? You are drinking your drink, and then the drink will go. And then when you have no more, what do you say? C'est bon. Yeah. Le Zenzunite, ça, c'est bon. Yeah, Zenzunite, ça, c'est bon. Yeah. Now, you have to take a very long time to answer the annoying questions. You have a headache, and teacher, on top of this, is coming. What did he say? Alors, Kodawe, Jake Water, what do you say? C'est bon? C'est bon, hein? Parle-moi? Oui, oui, oui. Et then il y a qui l'arceuse, machin. Voilà. C'est bon. Voilà, c'est bon. Ok. Maintenant, c'est bon, parce qu'après, salut. So, voilà, merci beaucoup. Merci. Thanks for coming. I'm happy to see you. Yeah. Any more questions? No, okay, good. Next. You want the microphone? You want to say something? Anyone want to talk? To make announcements? No? No. So what shall I do now? I'll just go out? Take a picture. Take a picture. Let's take a picture. Yeah, let's take a picture together. By the way, thank you for accepting to take the picture earlier. I got your picture. Thank you so much. You are very nice.